Hi, this is Dan Morales, and I wanted to shoot a quick video to give you an update on the conventional 3% down programs that were recently announced by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Now, as you know, Fannie and Freddie are the biggest buyers of conventional mortgages in the country. Now, there's two different types of programs as they relate, one for Fannie, of course, and one for Freddie. Now, the Fannie Mae programs, there's actually two variations to them. There's one program that has an income limit that's tied to it, and then there's a second program that does not have an income limit that's applied to it. So you could have a client that makes $200,000 a year and they could qualify for a 3% down conventional mortgage. Now the question becomes, what's the difference between the two? The difference is for clients who meet the income limit, they're eligible for a reduced rate of mortgage insurance. So in other words, the PMI cost would be lower if they meet the income limit. If they don't meet the income limit, they can still qualify for a 3% down conventional loan. The difference is they just pay the standard mortgage insurance cost. So a little bit of a benefit if you can meet the income limit there with Fannie Mae, you get a little bit better deal. Now, one of the catches to Fannie Mae's program is they do require that one of the borrowers or one of the buyers on the transaction be a first-time home buyer. So you do have to have a first-time home buyer be one of the buyers for the transaction if you're using Fannie Mae's product. Now, the 3% down payment can all come as a gift, so it does not have to be the borrower's own funds. So the 3% can all be a gift there. Now that program is going to be available the week of Christmas. So those are going to be available pretty much almost immediately. So that's good news for folks who are maybe looking at an FHA purchase but can truly qualify conventionally with the 3% down. Big benefit here with this program is, of course, the mortgage insurance cost is a lot cheaper when compared to FHA. And for a good qualified borrower who's just maybe short with a cash down payment, this program should work really well. So again, Fannie Mae's program does require one of the buyers be a first-time home buyer. It's a 3% down payment that's required, available pretty much immediately. And the borrower does have to do a homebuyer education class. So they do have to do that. There's several classes available around the country, several here in West Michigan, one of which is done through Link in Grand Rapids, and I actually teach that class. So it's a great class for folks and quite frankly good information for them to pick up. So again, Fannie Mae's program available immediately. One client does have to be a first-time home buyer. There is an option with an income limit. There's an option without an income limit. So it just depends on whether or not the borrower qualifies. Now, Freddie Mac does offer a program as well too. Their program is going to be available in March of 2015. The biggest difference there is their program requires an income limit irregardless of whether or not you're a first-time home buyer. So you do have to meet the income limit for Freddie Mac. Now with Freddie Mac, the big difference there is they do not specify that one of the clients has to be a first-time home buyer. So in that case, you could have somebody who's buying their second home. As long as they meet the income limit, they would be eligible. They do get a reduced mortgage insurance cost with Freddie Mac's program as well, and all of the down payment can be a gift. So some additional flexibility there and some additional information in regards to the 3% down payment programs. As always, if you have questions, concerns, or if you want more information, visit our website, danmorales.com. Information as far as income limits, we'll put a link at the bottom of this video where you can find that information. Look below. That'll be on the website as well too. Again, if you have any questions or concerns or anything we can do to help you, feel free to reach out. Again, my name is Dan Morales, 616-931-4629. Website at www.danmorales.com. Have a great day.